We have a new arrival today at Westport Auto Center. This is a stunning 1968 Bronco frame off restoration. Very nicely done. It has a few years on the build. Excellent running and driving. Power disc brakes, power steering cooler, bucket seats, custom sound system. Just a nice ride. Just got this in. Notice there is a little exhaust leak at the header gasket. We will take care of that. That's not an issue. That's already on order. We'll be here Monday. But just a nice ride. Sorry about that. A little shake in the video, but I'm by myself today. You'll find about 100 pictures at www.westportautocenter.com. Again, that's www.westportautocenter.com. We have a new soft white top that will be coming in next week. So there will be a top for the car. Have the bikini top right now, but we'll have a full soft top, white in color. Go with the white accents of the yellow. It's gonna look fantastic. It's got Rancho suspension, dual shocks on all four wheels. Just nice ride. Paint's nice. Chrome trim bright work is nice. Couple small chips that were touched up there. Couple on the brush guard here with the KC lights. Kind of a throwback. These are like impossible to find, the covers. Another little chip. We'll touch up. We've got a great match on this, so we'll be doing a little bit of touch up on it with a few little paint chips. Another tiny one. Tires are knee deep in rubber. Just a really nice ride. 302 automatic. Sorry about that. Custom sound system with speakers, subwoofers, amp, Kenwood head unit, remote. There's the VIN. Tag. Speakers there in the back. Amp there, 2 subs, and we got 2 speakers, 6x9s right there. So, really good running and driving vehicle. Pick up the phone, call 314-346-6039. That's 314-346-6039. Ask for Mark. I'll answer the phone, answer any questions that you have. It's Kenwood. 500 watt, so nothing crazy, but definitely get the job done. Couple little scratch, couple little chips, another little chip. Again, we've got a really good match on the for the touch-up paint. So a few of these that we found we'll touch up. A little scratch right there. But overall, it's a nice ride. Very nice ride. Mickey Thompson's 31x10s. Let's see. You got the dual Rancho shocks on. done. No disappointments. Take this for a ride. Again, powered the video today. I'm by myself. Still got to get the videos out. Yeah, we got that little exhaust leak at the header gasket that will be addressed. Part will be in on Monday. That little exhaust tick will be gone. Again, if you'd like to fly in yourself, just forward us your flight itinerary. Lambert International, St. Louis International, that is the same airport. Again, forward us your flight itinerary. Be more than happy to pick you up from the airport, take you to one of our 3 warehouses full of classics, SUVs, cars, trucks, muscle cars, and take it for a spin. We'll put it up on a lift. We'll make sure it's a good fit. You do not need all the money. We have excellent financing. Usually it's 10% down, great terms, great rates. So again, you do not need all the money to get yourself a classic vehicle. Just love this yellow, white accent. Again, we have a soft top that's coming, a white soft top to go with the white accent scoops and wheel flares. Tons of new suspension parts on here. Just great running and driving. Very well priced. So go to www.westportautocenter.com. We'll have the price posted. This video will be posted. And you'll be able to see about 100 pictures, detailed pictures of the vehicle, and lots of undercarriage pictures. This thing is amazing underneath. No disappointments. This is being offered at a fraction of the cost if you were to commence a restoration of this caliber on a Bronco, first gen Bronco. Again, www.westportautocenter.com. Please like and share the video, subscribe to the channel, help us grow. If you got any questions or comments, please leave them below. If you want to just stop by and check out our vehicles, we'd love to have you. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.